Terry.
Well, Quan is here. We're here, Quan. We're putting
Stacy from WIBC.
Hi, how are you? We're doing fine. We came over here because the lure of this incredible aroma of this, what was it again?
Pork loin
Pork loin.
with some Chinese plum sauce.
Oh, it's wonderful. What kind of a sauce is that?
It's a Chinese plum sauce.
A plum sauce. Did you crush the plum yourself?
No. You buy it at Myers and I just picked it up with that.
Let's see what the plum sauce looks like. Let me get a little. Oh, it's
Food's all ready to go over
it's
there.
Yum. That is beautiful. Beautiful. Well, we came over here. Gabe said this is the place to. How many do you come and tailgate with?
It's 25 or so.
25?
Yeah, a little bit more. Yeah.
Okay. Any kind of a pre-game ritual that you must do before every game?
No, we just got to make sure we have beer on the bus.
Maybe you should think of one because I'm worried that the new Lucas Oil Stadium could be jinxed.
We'll get it. We'll get it. We just play up to our potential. So.
Okay.
When are they going to open the ceiling? When do they open the roof, Juan?
I think an hour before the game. Isn't it?
Just an hour?
Yeah.
Yeah, because the roof's not open yet.
No, Dave, it's not open yet.
You got a lot of people.
Yeah. All right. Who do you cheer for? Obviously.
Colts.
Yeah, but Peyton,
Marvin.
favorite.
I love Marvin.
Okay, it's awful
That was
nice of
fun.
him. What can we eat now?
Yeah.
What do you have?
Hey, that's
Beautiful. Let me see what he's got on the spread here. Let's take a look. Follow us, Dave. Come on.
all right, baby.
Hey.
Yeah, right off the back.
Wow, look at that.
This is beautiful.
Yeah, a little bit.
This is so beautiful. These aren't green beans out of a
Green
can. This is beautiful. On top of the rice, you cut that up, and then this beautiful scallop.
scallop potatoes.
Look at this, beautiful. Oh, hot.
All right, Quan, have fun today, buddy.
See you, Dave.
See ya.